Welcome back, guys, to Inventor Tutorials, problem sheet number 1. We're up to part number 7, Beveled Block. With part 7, 8 and 9, we're going to use a range of different techniques covered in the first 6 activities. Now, by this stage, you're probably having your own preferred method, and I don't mind if you follow your own method, but if you're not sure, this is the way I would go about doing it. So we're going to start with what I always start with, is going up to New, Metric, Standard Part, Create. We've got our worktop. We're going to go up to the top left hand corner to start new sketch. Select a plane. In this case, we're going to select the XZ plane, and then for this activity I'm going to use the line one. So using the line technique, the same as what we used in activities part 4, part 5 and part 6. Find the origin, make sure it goes green, then click and drag your profile. In this case it's a trapezium, so we just get the shape close, clicking on the bottom line and then back to the origin. We're good to go. Then using the dimension tool, going to set the dimension from this point back to that edge, drag it down, get our title block, come up, and we're now going to enter in 50, which happens to be our length. I'm going to go back up to our top image up here and center our image. Going to grab our dimension tool, going to go from this top corner to that edge, go up, and according to our diagram we have 30 millimeters on that one. And then lastly we've got dimension between the top to the bottom, drag it out to the left, open up the title block and type in 20 for the height. There we go. So you can see all our lines have gone from green to blue. So we can finish our sketch. We can extrude the sketch, and checking for our distance extrusion is 30 millimeters. So we're going to type in 30 millimeters. Go across to the right hand side to the corner, click our block, and there we have it. Have our block already done, ready to go. Rotate it around, just getting a good look, make sure it looks about right. Yep, that looks okay, looks the right proportions. We know from our dimension it's the right size. So that's it for part number 7. In the next tutorial we'll do part number 8, the chamfered block. Till then guys, bye for now.